My name is Lieutenant William Bligh. I sail for country and king. My ship is the Bounty, she's robust and strong, but they stole her away from me. Oh Betsy, dear Betsy, I'm writing to you from a land so far, far away. I've been through the valley of the shadow of death, but I live for another sad day. The men of the Bounty, they said I was cruel, but that, my dear, is a lie. With kindness and love I have always ruled men. How dare they accuse William Bligh? The problem, my dear, was the Tahiti Isles, where the people lived naked and free. After 5 joyful months on that sweet paradise, the men of the Bounty wouldn't leave. So they cast me adrift on a small open boat and left me to die in the sea. With your love as my guide and with Neptune's good grace, I soon shall return to thee. Oh, please give no cheers for the Bounty mutineers. Against their good king they rebelled. They are villains and scoundrels and rascals and rogues, and I pray they will all go to hell. My name is Lieutenant William Bligh. I sail for country and king. My ship is the Bounty, she's robust and strong, but they stole her away from me.